Hi, welcome to the Microscopy 101 channel. I'm going to talk a little bit about eyepieces and digital cameras, and we're going to try and do this in under 2 minutes. And a lot of people have issues with digital cameras. I've got one set up here, camera on the top of my old Zeiss microscope. Now the common problem is that the focuses vary. So let's have a look at that. So the common complaint is that when you focus the image on the microscope and you go to take a picture, the picture on the screen is out of focus. Now this is typically due to the eyepieces. Could be a C-mount issue, but usually eyepieces. So this eyepiece that we've got here, this is not adjustable. But most eyepieces you'll find are adjustable, and there's a little mark here to see where the 0 point is. And you see, if I turn the top piece, I can move the 0 around. And the 0 should be lined up with the white dot. Now this is for corrected vision. This means that if you wear glasses, then you've got those glasses on, that's going to work with the microscope. When you take them off, your vision becomes uncorrected, and that's why things frequently go wrong. So the process really is that you focus on the screen, get this nice and focused, then you look down the microscope and you adjust your eyepieces to suit yourself. Now I know my prescription is probably about 2, so I'm going to have to move it all the way around here to get a good answer. You do that for each eye, and then when you look down the microscope in focus, it should be in focus on the screen. Now that's quite straightforward. It's a good idea to check that your microscope is on 0 or near the common focus point, because frequently they get wound in, and most eyepieces I see are wound in and you can't even see there's an adjustment. So there you have it. Hope that was useful. Just to reiterate, focus on the screen, then focus your eyepieces with it, whether you're wearing glasses or not. And when you come to the microscope, just check that you're starting off in a position where the screen is in focus, and you can also focus down the eyepieces, and everything will be fine. Hope you found that useful. Thanks very much.